Hey, it's Natalie Diaz. I am here at the ABC Baby Expo at the Huggies Mom Inspired booth. They are really a pioneer of helping families get their dreams off the ground by providing grants to some smaller companies to really make it big time. So, I'm here with Marianne, a fellow New Yorker.
Yes.
Who has solved a problem that many of us face. So if you're living in, close quarters, or you're just tired of seeing stuff all around,
this is the stroll away. I was living in a small apartment and discovered that you're not allowed to keep strollers in hallways. And with no space, I was looking for a way to hang up my stroller. I could find nothing on the market that would fit the bill, so I invented the stroll away. It goes right over a closet door, no installation, you just hang it right over, holds up to 40 pounds, adjusts to hold most any stroller model, even many doubles, which Natalie pointed out to me when I wasn't sure if a double would fit. She said, and I quote her often, if the stroller will fit through a door, it will fit on a door. So many doubles will be accommodated by this. So as I said, holds up to 40 pounds, super strong, gets the stroller off the floor and out of the way.
So basically you're saying that your sales pitch was prompted by my genius?
Absolutely.
Okay, see, it's just we make it all go around. So I got very excited to see this because I remember when you first came out with this, and this is your baby, this is your dream, and I'm very, very proud of you. So I just wanted to introduce you to the world.
Thank you so much.
If they want more information, where can they find it?
Metrotots.com. We sell on Amazon and diapers.com and in independent retailers all around Manhattan and in Brooklyn.
How about this? For full information, go to twiniversity.com and I'll point you in the right direction. See you later, guys.